Yes, they gave preference to resolution of regional problems. For the development of region, they demand more autonomy and authority. Though they cooperate with federal government, they try to protect their autonomy. Regional parties make several demands such as regional problems should be resolved at regional level. Political power should be in the hands of the free, hands of the people from region, and resident of the region should get preference in administration and job. So regional politics or regional parties, their main aim is to develop particular region. Understood? And as well as they these regional parties also influence national politics, because you've already we know that national parties, they are indirectly attached to regional party. Understood? So naturally regional party, they will give preference to the development of particular region with the help of national parties. Understood? And regional parties, they really if their motto is to develop the particular region, then they really gave preference in their national parties or in their regional party to people residing in that region. Understood? That it doesn't mean that the other people from other region should be there in their regional parties. Understood? People from that region should be in the regional parties, because they know better about their region, they are about the need of the people of that region. So it is important that people belong to the particular region should be in regional parties. Understood? Now next we will see changing nature of regional parties in India. We already know that so many regional parties, they are working or they are active under various regions. So regional parties came into existence in India in post independent period. However, over the years their nature and role has changed significantly. Children, regional parties were not there before independence. Only one political party which emerged as the biggest political party, which was start functioning since 1885, that was Indian National Congress. But after independence, after 10 or 20 years, regional parties, they emerge as a powerful political parties in various regions. First point, we will see what is the role and changing nature of regional party. First, initially regional identities gave rise to separatist movement. The demand for independent Khalistan, Dravidstan were made with the objective for parting from Indian Federation and exist as an independent state. Regional parties from Punjab, Tamil Nadu and Jammu Kashmir have made such demands. So initially these regional parties, they wanted to separate from main Indian politics or main Indian national parties. Already we have studied about Khalistan, we have studied about AIDMK, that is Dravidian demands, and Jammu Kashmir. So these type of motto was there for the regional political parties. Understood? Second, the demand for regional parties gradually change. Instead of an independent state, they start demanding more autonomy. And this was second stage in development of regional parties. This stage began after 1990. So they demand the demand for regional party was that they want more power, they want autonomous power. That means they wanted to work independently for their different region, for their own region. They wanted to take decision, they wanted to take decision regarding politics, regarding economic development, regarding social development, so many, finance development, financial development. So they wanted to have their autonomous power, and which was approved in 1990. Third, the regional parties demanded that from development of region, people from region should get power at state and national level. For example, Shiv Sena, Telugu Desam. So these two parties, or this is the example of two parties, or other parties are also there. They wanted to have that power at regional level as well as national level. Understood? Number fourth, the development of regional parties in Northeast shows a different trend. They gave up the demand of separatism and have started demanding autonomy. The regional parties from Northeast are now entering in mainstream of national politics. So slowly, before their demand was different. Now slowly they wanted to have demand as a whole to enter in mainstream of national politics, so that they will get recognized as a important party of particular region. And as a whole, if they wanted to have maximum days in main stream, they wanted to get recognition with the national parties also. Understood? So, likewise, Jammu Kashmir, Northeast also, there in that region also, some regional parties, they emerge as a winner, they emerge as a single strong regional party in particular region, especially Northeast. In short, we can say that role of regional party in India has passed through various phases.